On 3rd November this year, the East African Court of Justice started hearing cases of its member states and individuals who ran to this court. Most cases that were handled by the court are in line with the treaties whose implementation is not well executed. In the lower and appellant court, hearings, rulings and judgments have been made, and court has concluded its business today. The session that has run for 40 days at the Commercial Court in Kampala has seen the judges and justices handle 40 cases. Justice Nestor Kayobera, the president of the East African Court of Justice, who was speaking at the closure of this year's session, says the arrangement should be changed.
The upper division consider matters, of course, on the revocation of sale agreements, the terms of employment of East African community, the criminal defamation, dismissal from service and the composition of ESC Council of Ministers, to mention a few. All the cases we handled were about violation of the treaty by the community, by the partner states.
Justice Kayobera applauded the atmosphere they found in Uganda, which has enabled them to handle different cases. However, he says they still face challenges to expedite the hearing of various cases.
Justice Wabire, he's here in Uganda. When we leave tomorrow, he may even, he may put even under here. Until when we call this is how we are operating. So to me, that's one of the challenges. Ad hoc court. How can you have an ad hoc court, which now the court is now 21 years in existence, still operating ad hoc?
The principal judge of the East African Court of Justice, Justice Yohane Masara, says they have been able to deliver a number of judgments.
A total of 23 cases, comprising of references, claims, and applications. We had 5 applications which we handled, out of which one was withdrawn by the applicant. Another one we struck it out because of technical issues.
Justice Anne Mugenyi, the deputy head of the Commercial Court Division, said the court proceedings were handled as expected, except a few incidents.
We apologize where things may not have gone as expected or were a little below standard, but every experience is a learning opportunity, and next time it will definitely be a better experience.
Out of the 40 cases that were handled, 1 case was withdrawn. The presiding judges are expected to give their ruling in future. Flavian Inkuze for CTV, PM Edition.